guys, what's up? Oh, wait to start the video. He's under my leg. We come over and we got special guests. We got Henry here and we got Grouse. Grousey! Oh, who cares? Oh my god. The house and very good. The dog, look at the camera. Look at it! I'm just joking, I'm not going to force the dog to look. Oh no, you do not hear it. So, have fun over there! Look, he's going out again! Dog reacts to grass. Look at him, he's just laughing. What's with you and yawning in the videos I put you in? Must be tired. Get off my foot. So, basically, good. Jesus. Stop doing that! I said I'm hearing that! Every time it's like, stop kicking the grass around, stupid muppet. Oh yeah, don't leave in the comments why my wall's all dirty because that I accidentally, when I was 5, I painted the wall. And then I got, oh, don't react to grass again! Oh, gee! Can you see that? Look. There, look. Okay, so, basically, this is... I think that's cute. And hello! Have fun in the grass, Grouse. I don't know. Look! Don't grass the grass again! He's like, my blanket! My blanket! I love my blanket! I love my blanket. Henry, what is wrong with you? Look, there's Grouse. Hello, Grousey. Oh, shoot. What are you all way? Oh, Jesus! Epic fail. So guys, I have to leave it at that. Oh, actually, we're only 2 minutes apart. I thought we were longer than that. So yeah, just walking around. Oh, jeez. Forgot about the clothes. What's the crack, Grocer? You want me to rub your stomach? Oh, look how he loves that. Look, he loves that so much. Stop coughing! Just, no offense, but like, every in my video he makes noise. Look at this. Cough, cough. I dare ya. Cough. His face going up. Okay, so I have to leave it at that. See you next time. Goodbye.